Hey guys, we're live in my garage again. Got a Craftsman Die Hard battery backup. And wow, fuck, I unlocked the car and it's not unlocked. Now you may notice, there we go, that looks a little bit different now. And this isn't attached anymore. This was our old opener. It was a bracket, I guess it held it there. But this is our second motor, model number 139-18405D. This is our second motor here because we had a power surge one time and it fried our main board, I guess, and it wouldn't open the door. But from our last video, we've got new drums and cables put on. Because the one on the right side of the door broke. And these springs has been here since about 2007. And same shitty wheels. My sensors are a bit too high. But yeah, the bars, like the little And we've got our wall button here. And our warning label. Copyright 1992. So we are going to run the opener. And it is very, for a belt drive, it's loud. But the door itself is pretty quiet. Got the screw there. We have a clopay door. And now I'll be closing the door with the button here. It's pretty quiet for a belt, I'd say. It's overall pretty good. Gets the job done. And I'm missing a strut on the top. It got taken out because it fell and landed on top of my car. But what's different now is that our opener is mounted on the farthest bracket and it makes it go higher. Right up there like that. And I don't know if that's very good or not, because usually like the rail it goes up instead of down, and I don't know if it makes a difference or anything. But yeah. So I guess. Oh, and look at our wiring job. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's from our old opener too. Wires go through across the roof. One comes out. Wait, gotta let it focus. One comes out right there, and then drops to there. And the other one's over there. And it drops. What I would have done is that, and then and then the wall button goes through the roof, comes down, and then it's just right there. And this is what our old one was. Craftsman 1998. 1.25 horsepower. And then we actually, I guess we had another one. Wait. Yeah, you can see like those yellow things put in the drywall. I guess we had another one here too. I don't know. I think it was actually a 1987 or 88 Craftsman 1/3 horsepower. It looked similar to this, except actually I'll get a picture and I'll show you later. But yeah, I'll get the remote. It's got black buttons now. I had one that was gray with the gray buttons, and then I had one that would go sideways when it had one long button on the bottom. This is a 139.18191, and this is manufactured in 2007. and it does the job. I used to have the light sensor thing programmed, but I forgot to do it again. But yeah, I guess you could say this is just an update. Thinking about getting a new opener. I'm not sure yet. Gotta save up some money still. And then I guess I'll run it closed and then call it a day. Take care, guys.